How you guys doing? Welcome back to another vlog. I know it's been a minute. You know, the motivation is not there, and the reason why the motivation is not there because you guys don't motivate me enough to keep shooting content for you guys. And today I'm going to show you how to put a clock spring on your 370. That's right, your 370. It's kind of hard to take the two connectors that go to the clock spring. Those are the hardest things you're gonna do in this installation. However, it is gonna be an easy install. You guys can see it. This is the connection I'm talking about right here. You guys can see it. Let me show you right there. But this was $70. The original steering wheel on my car because I need to see if it's tuned or not because I need to know what's going on with my car because sometimes, I want to fix it because also the horn doesn't work. So I'm going to fix it because of that. And because I want the OEM look back in my car. That's the reason why I'm fixing it. But we're going to get to the installation now. Stay tuned. Before you do anything, any electrical, remember every time you do any electrical work, you have to disconnect the battery. The battery has to be disconnected. You don't want the airbag blowing your face. You don't want to burn no ECU. You don't want to burn no fuses because after that, it's just pain in the butt to track down your problem. All right? Remember, when you're working with electrical, unplug the battery. All right, let's go. Also, make sure that before you install the clock spring, make sure that the steering wheel straight and your wheels also straight. So now I'm gonna go to the battery and disconnect it. There. Battery is off. It's a 10 mil. For this particular job, I'm gonna use a Phillips screwdriver, 19 millimeter socket. So I'm gonna go ahead and put you guys on the mount because I'm gonna need both of my hands. Where is my? I got a big mess in here. Here it is. Alright. So right now I'm gonna lose this bolt, 19 millimeter bolt, and then I'm gonna take the hub and the steering wheel together out. There it is. Now you're gonna take out this Phillips screws right here, and then you're gonna be having access to the clock spring. See, this clock spring broke. This is the plug that I was talking to you guys about. This is gonna be the one that's really difficult to take out. And I also want to tell you there's 2 bolts holding the clock spring. You see it? It's right there. 2 of them, and it comes right out. And it's also bolt on right here, but this will come out easily. But before you screw it, I would highly suggest you to take this 3 plugs out. This one comes out easy, but this 2 right here, they're a pain in the butt. But I'm gonna do my best to show you anyways, okay? All right. Gotta get my picker tool. This was easy to take out. Before I was really battling these 2 plugs to get them out, but they came out easily. Now I'm gonna unscrew this right here, this 2, and it should be able to pop right off. I'm sorry, there's 4 in total. I'm gonna show you where the other 2 are, okay? Hang on. And that's it. I got it out. Now I'm gonna install the new one. You guys want to know what happened to this one? This one I broke it because I installed one of those hubs from eBay. And if you buy a hub from eBay, don't buy it. They're not gonna fit. They're just gonna take your money away, just like they did to me. But you need a works belt hub. That's the one that's gonna fit. But this one, I'm so mad because I broke it. Anyways, what's done is done. You can't go back. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the new one on. And with the new one, and this is what it looks like. I'm trying to figure out how it goes. Wow, this thing is like, all right, let me put this on and I'll come back, okay? Let me just figure out how it's gonna go and I'll show you guys. Alright, so here you go. I already put the 2 screws that go inside here. The new clock spring comes with new screws in here, so you don't have to put them on. And there's only 2 of them. They're up here. Now I'm gonna plug the cores that go in here. I mean the plugs. So take your time, okay? Now that I'm done, I'm gonna install the steering wheel, because this is why I put this on, because I wanna install the steering wheel. So I know I put this back together, the bottom piece, and bolt it on. So after I figure it out, it goes like this. My best guess is like this, right? Because the top button meets with the little pinhole that's behind the steering wheel. And I think that's it. That's the way it goes. Now I gotta install the airbag. And I'm trying to find out where this wire goes. I just got one more. That's weird. Oh, there's 2. There's one more missing, and I don't know what that one is for. There's one more wire that goes in here, I guess. I don't know what it's for. I'm kind of confused because I only see 3 of them. But there you go. That's basically all the installation after you're done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna wrap it up. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the job, and I will see you guys on the next vlog, okay? And don't forget to subscribe and like this video, okay? Alright, then I'm out. Peace. Alright, there you have it. I'm done. Even my horn works now. Not the best, but I think I gotta fix my horn. But wow, a lot of these lights went away. The only one that has still on is that one. And I think I should be able to get it off. I know which other sensor is missing, the one from the seat. And I should be able to clear that code as well. But this is a 2009 Nissan 370C Nismo. And it has a very good engine. And I like this car. I don't think I'm gonna sell it. I already got offers of 15, 16, 17 grand. But your boy is not gonna sell it. I'm gonna keep it for a while. So we're gonna take it for a test drive. So enjoy the POB. My steering wheel's crooked. Jesus Christ. So I can probably fix that. I'm gonna fix that in another video. Alright, so I'm just gonna end the video here. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next one. I'm out. Peace.
on it. Tell me how you really want it. Latin boss, I'm a hoe. Whipping the game with a twist on it. All or nothing, how we play. Baby girl, if I may, take you with my Chevrolet and change your life in a major way. Give you things you never had. Champagne, bubble bath, presidential suite. He tell me, can you handle that? I came from nothing, now the whole thing changed. Pockets swelling out with hundreds. VIP when we up